Hello friends, Vanakkam. First of all, thank you so much for all the love you've given for Kalki, the film and the music. I'm so overwhelmed. Today, July 18th, is a very, very special day because one of my most favorite Tamil films of all time, Varai, adoda first single is launching today, Tenkizhakku. I'm so proud to be part of this film. I'm sure that this is gonna change cinema forever. I personally felt like it was one of those movies that really changed the way you look at films and everything. So I'm so happy to be part of this film. Iniki Tenkizhakku அப்படினு சொல்லி ஒரு பாட்டு வருது. D.S. sung and Yugabarathi sir has written. And I thought I would just play out a little 10-15 seconds from the track. So because I was getting so excited about this release. Let's go.
செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடனும் துல்லியமாகவும் தெரிந்து கொள்ள சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.